Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm here with Usama. Welcome back to Bits. Usama, this morning you gave the team a surprise scenario. We're declaring a Sev 1 security incident. You have 3 minutes, go. You gave no prep or warning. Why did you do that?
Hello, Sam. Hello, everyone. Security incidents are not pre-planned, and in-the-moment tabletop exercises are great to validate organizational readiness, especially around actual response process, reveal broken handoffs, bad assumptions, missing tools, clarify who's responsible for what, especially in the first 5 minutes, build cross-functional communication, and sharpen decision-making under stress.
Okay, so it's not just about whether the steps work, it's whether the people do.
Exactly, and that's why you inject chaos into these tabletop exercises. You want to identify issues and gaps, something like, for instance, a rogue executive that you try to reach and they're not responsive, misinformation campaign where now you're spreading details about the incidents that's factually not true, or the worst is where you have conflict within the team members, and then they're sitting in this tabletop exercise on a real incident, and that pre-existing conflict is bubbling right up.
Okay, so this has to be practiced repeatedly, like rinse and repeat.
Absolutely. When we started this, I think the first 3 tries for the first 5 minutes, there's just pure chaos. Then we got better at it, so it dropped from 5 minutes, pure chaos, to 4.5. And I think at the end, after probably 7 or 8 tries, we achieved 1 minute and 26 seconds to establish clear command and control, communication channels, and having all the experts present to deal with the issue.
That's really impressive. So it's not just about how you improve your response, it's how you could expose what could go wrong while you still have time to fix it. Thanks, Usama, and thanks to those watching. We'll see you next time on Bits.